with the help of Prashant and team, we are able to get this invisible bed in our house to make it one of the best asset of the house. Yeah. I think as every family has, we also had a lot of debate what we would like to do with this room. Yeah? So I was of an opinion that we should use this as only a study table, a study room and a retreat room, whereas my wife was also debating that we should just not waste the space and just use it, keep it open most of the time. Typically, we would like to need this extra space, especially some guests are there so that they can use it. And that was one of the reasons we were wondering what is that we could do. Yeah, that's how I got to know about this invisible bed. Yeah. When I saw this invisible bed for the first time 4 years back, the first thing came to my mind was about the safety thing. Yeah? What if the bed falls off? Yeah? What if the kids are around? How is it going to really, will it be safe enough for anyone to use in the home? Then I could see that one of my friends was using this over the last 3-4 years and he really loved, and he just told me once that just use one bedroom for invisible bed, and I bet you that you will think of replacing all the bedrooms with the invisible bed. This thought came to my mind and I wanted to use this opportunity to really experiment invisible bed. I am super happy to say that there is no safety issues. We have been using this consistently over the last 2 years. There is absolutely no problem to use invisible bed. As I also mentioned, the only thought people such kind of concept come to their mind is if there is a space constraint. Yeah, only people then think of options. But trust me, in spite if you have enough space, having such an invisible bed in each and every room just enhances the overall look of your house, because it just adds a lot of space to your room, to your flat, yeah, or to your house. So I definitely recommend experiment, use this, and as my friend also told me once, I will also bet you that you will try to replace all your bedrooms with invisible bed. This is a very good question. I think what the feedback I would like to give is that invisible bed should not be an afterthought, something like what we have done, but it should always be a part of your earlier plan and design. Yeah, I would also recommend that though it's an invisible bed, I would like them to come up with some more additional designs which will fit the aesthetic of the room, so that it is easy for people to make such decision, and also people will be very convinced because you have a bed in the room but also have enough space, equal space as the room itself. Yeah. So I would strongly recommend that if Invisible Bed and the team could come up with additional designs which will right away fit to their customers' needs, that's something that people would love to see that. Price, I would not say it is very less. Yeah, of course there is price aspect to it. It's not super high as well, it's reasonable, but yes, it's a little costly than compared to the traditional bed, but I think the advantage what we get for paying this price is definitely rewardable, because you get so much of space all the time that the bed is always hidden.